I used to wake up and immediately grab my phone. Before my brain even loaded the day, I'd already seen 3 influencer vacations, 2 sales ads, and one friend who somehow bought a Tesla at 19. Meanwhile, I'm wondering if I can afford guac on my burrito. Then one day, I checked my screen time and almost threw my phone out the window. 6 hours in one day. I wasn't just addicted to my phone, I was addicted to avoiding my life. And it was costing me not just my time, but my peace, my goals, and actual money. Let's break it down. Your phone is a pocket sized casino. The colors, the vibrations, the infinite scroll, all designed to keep you hooked. And I was hooked. Hooked on checking, hooked on comparing, hooked on spending money on things I didn't need to impress people I don't even like. Me at 1 a.m. Do I need glow in the dark shoelaces for $12.99? Probably. Add to cart. Every time I felt stressed, I'd open an app. Every time I felt bored, I'd order food. I wasn't just spending money, I was spending energy, confidence, time I could have used for literally anything else. Here's the thing, I didn't realize how much my phone habits were leaking money, like a slow drip from a faucet you forgot about. $3.99 here for a filter pack. $14.95 there for express shipping on socks I didn't need. $18.50 on Uber Eats when there's actual food in my fridge. Over 2 months, I saved $1,000 just by doing less. Not more, less. That's when it hit me. I didn't need a new budget. I needed a new relationship with my distractions. Here's what worked. I call it FOCUS. Because if you don't focus, your phone and your money will both disappear faster than your motivation on a Monday. F. Find your triggers. The urge to scroll wasn't random. It hit when I felt stuck, tired, overwhelmed, or when I was just checking something and got sucked in. So I started asking, what am I avoiding right now? Usually it was something small, replying to emails, doing laundry, or even just sitting still. Oh, offload distractions. I deleted TikTok, Amazon, Instagram for 30 days. I know, that sounds dramatic. But I didn't delete life. I just made it a little harder to waste it. I could still check things on my laptop if I needed to, but I broke the muscle memory habit of tapping apps like a slot machine. Say, create friction. I moved my charger out of arm's reach. I buried apps in folders with labels like Think First, Fool. I set timers, so when I hit the time limit, I got the digital slap I needed. Little bit of friction equals big behavior shift. Use the time. Instead of scrolling, I tried 10-minute walks, stretching. Watching videos like this one, even just laying down doing nothing. Yes, bored is a valid productivity state. Try it. S. Save what you would have spent. Every time I almost bought something dumb, I transferred that amount to a discipline jar savings account. Watching that number grow, that gave me way more dopamine than some random delivery order ever could. Phones aren't evil. Social media isn't evil. But letting them run your life without noticing, that's how you stay stuck. You don't need a dramatic detox. You just need a little space. So you can remember who's in control. You. Here's your challenge. Cut your screen time by 1 hour this week. Track what you almost bought and save it. Use that time and money to build a better life, not just scroll through someone else's. On Next Up, no one taught you money, so let's fix that in 5 steps.